Hey there, it's Betsy, your social media community manager at FIU. If you can't tell, we're here at the Herbert and Nicole Wertheim Performing Arts Center, where many of FIU's theater and music productions take place. And if you haven't been to one yet, I totally recommend you check it out. There's much to see and hear this upcoming semester. And it's Friday, August 5th, so let's take your comments. This week on FIU News, we shared with you a great project called The Art of Giving, TAG for short. FIU students decorated white Converse shoes with original and uplifting art for the children of Haiti. The project has donated over 800 shoes to the island nation struck by the devastating earthquake in January 2010. One of our readers on FIU News, Guarda, wanted to thank everyone involved. He said, "As a native Haitian, I want to thank everyone who participates in this event. Haitian people need the help of others, but with dignity. You guys show respect by decorating Converse sneakers for children. Even though I'm skeptical about all the ONG that claim to help Haitian people, this initiative will directly impact our children and should be appreciated." If you'd like to get involved with the TAG project or any FIU Hope for Haiti initiative, please visit news.fiu.edu/FIU Haiti for more information. A new book and documentary about the future of journalism, including essays by Secretary of State Hillary Clinton and other prominent journalism leaders, features an entire chapter about FIU's news literacy courses taught by Professor Fred Blevins. Elsie on Twitter said, "Love Professor Blevins when I took the News Literacy Global Learning course offered at FIU. He was great." Regina said, "Awesome article. Blevins is an amazing teacher, like most at the School of Journalism and Mass Communications." And presumably journalism major Ginson said, "I hope to write information accurately and transparency and away from the falsification of the facts." It seems like everyone's planking nowadays, myself included. When we posted this photo of Rory planking in the Graham Center on Wednesday, we received tons of comments. Joshua said, "Shaking my head, now it's official, everyone's planking." Jennifer said, "Seriously, I almost died. Last person on earth I would expect would be involved in planking." Lauren said, "It's okay, Rory. I plank when picking classes has me stressed out too." And Linda says, "Now Rory needs to do owling." Before I sign off, I wanted to remind you to stay tuned this weekend for updates about Tropical Storm Emily. FIU's emergency management team will be monitoring the storm, and we'll keep you updated on FIU News, Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook. And that about wraps it up for this week. Keep the comments coming. To join the conversation, write on our Facebook wall, tweet us at FIU or at FIU News, or leave us a comment on news.fiu.edu. See you next week. I feel like I should say something about tweeting FIU.